Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, if there's one thing that I absolutely hate on the Google Play Store right now, it's fake money making applications. Today we're covering an application called Dozer Mania. Now, Dozer Mania is promising real-life money like this, but just like this money, everyone, the application is completely fake. Let me explain to you why you're getting tricked and why this app needs to be banned as soon as possible. And for all the veteran viewers out there that have seen scam apps before, you're going to want to see this because this app is absolutely unbelievable. The whole concept of Dozer Mania is that you're meant to drop coins onto a conveyor belt that slowly gets pushed to a slot machine section. When the coins fall into the slot machine section, then obviously that triggers the slot machine. Now, this pusher app would be fine if it was just a pusher app, but the fact is, everyone, in my opinion, this app has been made by a known scam artist called Nigel Folwell, who's made multiple scam apps. Now, the funny thing is, Nigel's actually left the reviews on this app, and he's getting bombarded with 1-star reviews right now from angry people. See, the thing is, everyone, these scammers are starting to catch on that we're not falling for their tricks anymore with their reviews disabled. This developer is more than likely a throwaway account, by the way. Now, Dozer Mania has two main types of cash out systems here. You have the apparent PayPal real money, but mind you, they're saying they're going to cash out to multiple sources such as Coinbase and Cash App. And then you have the completely ridiculous coin system. They expect you to get 1 million of the in-game currency to reach $120 apparently. You are only limited to 50 coins at a time, and you can drop those coins as fast as you possibly want. Now, can you imagine when you're tapping that screen fast, how quickly you're going to run out of 50 coins? They do regenerate every 3 seconds, it seems, but you want your money fast, don't you? And the developers know that, so guess what they let you do? They let you watch an advertisement to instantly refill the 50 coins. Or you can use the apparent real money to refill your 50 coins. Which one would you rather do if you're desperate for money? Would you use your in-game currency that took you ages to get? Or would you just watch an advertisement because it's more convenient? Well, that's what the developers want you to do, because guess what? You will never get paid by this app. If you don't believe me, give it a try and let me know how you go. The PayPal cash out ranges from $180 all the way up to $1,200. But that is, of course, if you find the certain puzzle pieces. That is right, everyone, we have the fake item section back again for another application. It seems these developers love trying to con everyone out there into thinking they're going to win a PS5, an iPad, a new Samsung phone, and mind you, you have to watch advertisements for your chance to get a puzzle piece. They just want you to watch advertisements every day of every second so they can pocket the money and you get absolutely nothing. Now, you can actually put some walls up as well if you watch an ad, or shake the conveyor belt as well if you watch an ad. But who cares about that? You guys want to make money. You don't want to get ripped off by these pathetic scam apps. I really hope Google starts regulating these apps and banning them. They need to start protecting their users, okay? It's an absolute joke. Anyway, everyone, please stay safe out there. Avoid Dozer Mania, and I'll catch you all in 1 to 2 days, okay? Catch you around.